Hi everyone, today we are reviewing inequality. So the first thing is we need to review the inequality symbol. Let's start with the first one. This symbol is called less than. Now students tend to mix the less than symbol with the greater than symbol. So one way to remember it's less than is very easy. This is how we do it. So think of an arrow. So an arrow is pointing to the left, meaning it's more negative. So more negative meaning less than. So that's how I would try to look at it. The next symbol is still similar. It's called less than, but this time can be equal to. So less than or equal to. Next one is greater than. So similar to before, students tend to mix these two. So one way to make sure we don't mix that is consider as an arrow. So it's going to the right, therefore it can be greater, therefore it is greater than. The next one is greater than or equal to. Last and not least, the equal symbol. Equal symbol means equal to. Alright, let's go back to its vocabulary. Let's start with less than. So less than means like this. You pick a location on the number line and everything to the left side will be less than. Now this open circle meaning we don't count that number, whatever that number is. So on the number line we're going to draw an open circle. Next one is also less than, but it can also be equal to. Therefore, it can be a solid line, a solid circle, and still goes to the left. Next, greater than. Since it's greater than doesn't mean it's equal. Therefore, it can be an open circle. Oh, I forgot. This is a solid circle. So we pick a number on a number line. We go to the right. Next one, greater than or equal to. So we know it's going to be a solid circle. A number on a number line. Solid meaning it's equal or greater than. And finally, equal to. Equal is a solid circle and circle. Now let's do a couple of an example. For instance, x is less than 3. We choose 3. Since less than 3 meaning 2, 1, 0 to the left side is not equal to 3, so we don't do a solid circle, we do an open circle. Open meaning we don't include that number. Next one, x less than or equal to negative 2. So 1 is start at negative 2, but it's also equal to, so we do a solid circle. Then it is less than, therefore we go to the left side. Next one for greater than. For example, x is greater than -1, we choose -1. Greater than, meaning to the right hand side of -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or larger, we go to the right. Next one, x greater than or equal to 0. So we start at 0, it's also equal to 0, so it's a solid circle. But it is also greater than, we go to the right hand side. Last but not least, let's say x equal 4, we choose 4, it's circle 4, equal 4, it's solid. Since it's not moving left or right, it just stays at one place. Right. Now let's go over the academic language for each inequality symbol. So in general, we call this less than, but we have other terms to use to describe less than. One, we can say smaller than. You can say under, or fewer than. There are more to this academic language, but we just can go over a couple. Next one, smaller than or equal to. Has a maximum or at most. At most, this one confuse some students. Okay, for greater than, more than, larger than, over, okay. For greater than equal, you can say more than or equal to, larger than or equal to. The next vocabulary that tend to confuse students are at least. Has a minimum. Put a story here. These two are the ones that usually confuse us. So I hope you try to remember that. Last but not least, equal means equivalent or same. So I hope this note is helpful to give you some review of the inequality before we start to solve inequality. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question or concern, please send me an email.